Alright YouTube, well, I bet you can't guess where I am. So anyway, I am at one of the Niches properties up north of Lafayette. The name of it escapes me right off the top of my head. It's some Baron's place. And yeah, I came up here to photograph today. They're burning off about 60 acres here. And let me turn around this way so you can see. Yeah, should be pretty exciting. Yeah, getting ready, doing the backfire now, where once this area here is burnt, I can light up the main fire there, since the wind's blowing this way. That way it doesn't carry over there.